Hello students, I welcome you all in my class. Today I am taking one more topic, functions. This topic is from chapter 2, relations and functions. This is very important topic. First of all, I am taking the definition of function. As you can see here, this is the definition of function. According to the definition of function, a relation f from a set A to set B, from set A to set B. Relation is a function. Relation is a special type of function. Here, a relation f from a set A to set B is said to be a function. When I say the given relation is a function, there is just some necessary and sufficient condition for when I say that a relation is a function. If every element of set A has one and only one image in set B, it means each and every element of set A has unique image in set B. For example, if a set A has three elements 1, 2, 3 and set B has three elements 2, 3 and 4. If we will take three subsets from set A to set B, like F1 is one subset from A cross B. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. Here, three ordered pairs are from where? These three ordered pairs are from A cross B. F1 is the subset of A cross B. Here 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4 are the element of A cross B. Here I am going to represent this F1 with help of arrow diagram. Set A and this is set B. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Here, the image of 1. The image of 1 is what? 2. The image of 1 is 2 and image of 2 is 3. Image of 3 is 4. Here, every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. It means this is the example of function. This is the example of function. We can define a function in another way. A function f is a relation. Function is what? Function is a relation. Function is a special type of relation from a non-empty set A to non-empty set B. Non-empty set B. Such that domain of f is A. All elements of set A are called domain of the function, and no two distinct order pairs. Here one order pair is 1, 2, second one 2, 3 and third one is 3, 4. Here no two distinct order pairs in F have the same first element. Here the first element of first order pair is 1 is different from the first element of the second order pair. These two elements are different. The first element of each and every order pair are different. So we can say that this is the example of function. Now I am taking another example. F2 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. 2, 3 and 3, 4. Now I am going to represent this subset F2 with help of arrow diagram. Set A, set B, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. Here the image of 1 is 2. The image of 1 is 2. And the image of 1, 3 is the image of 1 also. And the image of 2 is 3. And the image of 3 is 4. Here you can see that the image of 1 is 2 and 3. But according to the definition of function, no two distinct order pairs in F have the same first element. Here the first element of this order pair and the first element of this order pair are same. So we can say that this is not the example of function. This is a relation, but it is not the example of function. Now I am taking another example, F3. F3 is the subset of A cross B. 1, 2, 2, 3. Now I am going to represent this set with help of arrow diagram. 1, 2, 3. And 2, 3, 4. The image of 1 is 2 and the image of 2 is 3. Children, can you tell me this is the example of function? No, this is not the example of function because 3 belongs to A but it has no image in B. But it has no image in B. So we cannot say that this is the example of function. Here, according to the definition of function, F is a relation from a non-empty set A to non-empty set B, such that domain of F is what? Domain of F is set A, all the elements of set A. Here 3 has no image, so we cannot say that this is the example of function. Now I am taking one more example, F4. 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 3, 3, 4. Children, can you tell me this is the example of function? No, this is not the example of function. This is the example of relation. Why it is not the example of function? Because the first element of first order pair and the first element of second order pair and the first element of the third order pair are equal. But according to the definition of function, no two distinct order pairs in F have the same first element. So this is not the example of function. So I hope you are understanding this topic. Now I am taking some more examples. F5. 2, 3, 3, 4 is the example of function. Can you tell me 2, 3, 3, 4 is the subset of A cross B? If this is the example of function, can you tell me this is the example of function? No, this is not the example of function. Why? Because here if we represent this function with help of arrow diagram, 2, 3, 4. The image of 2 is 3. 2 belongs to A and the image of 3 is 4. Here 1 belongs to A, but 1 has no image in set P. So this is not the example of function. Thank you, children.